Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome back to Sit on My Bits. It's a weekend. I've had a really good couple of weeks with this new Crypto Bull app, but you can't trade at the weekend, so I'm going to do some trading on Crypto Bow. Now, Crypto Bow to me is the easiest way, in my point of view, to build your Bitcoin up. Excuse me. I've had a withdrawal. As you can see, I've now got just under 5 Bitcoin in there. It is very, very simple to use. And after this virus thing passes, I mean, Bitcoin's been holding up. You know, it's been around the 6-7 grand mark. It's been holding up. But I think when this virus passes, I think it is going to rise with a lot of things. So it would be great to build your Bitcoin up now, and then when it does start moving, you've got a little nest egg of it. But I find CryptoBow one of the easiest ways to build your Bitcoin up. It's very, very simple to use. You deposit into it, they turn it into Bitcoin, make a wallet for you, and then you just trade on Bitcoin, and then you get paid back in Bitcoin. So it's very, very simple to use. So you put in however much in, whether you want to put in, I don't know, $50, $20, $100, $500, they convert it into Bitcoin, and then you're good to go. You can trade on other, let's say there's crypto, there's commodities, currency pairings, everything on there. I tend to mainly focus on Bitcoin, US dollar, and Bitcoin against the euro. But it's very, very simple to use. You put your amount in here. I've got it at 0.56, which is roughly, give or take a few cents, 400 quid. You can double up if you see an opportunity. You can max it out if you see an opportunity. You've got your graph here that you can zoom right into if need be, or zoom out, see where that's going. You can change that if you want it candlesticks or however you want to do it. Personally, I like the good old-fashioned line, nice and clear, but very simple to use. And then you put your amount in. That's the only tricky bit, is if you're not too clued up with Bitcoin to work out what the price will be. Let's just see where this is going. So put in your price. I think this is on its way back down. You see, it's hit this high point. You see it's come down here. It's hit this high point, and now it looks like it's on its way back down. But yeah, you work out what it is, Google it, whatever, see how much you want to put in, and then put it in here. And then you're good to go. And literally just call or put. Very, very simple to use. And I say I've been using this now for, I think, 3 or 4 years, and I've had no problems with it. Withdrawals and everything go through fast because it's in Bitcoin, and it's very simple to use. It is. It's one of my favorite manual trading platforms. You do have to sit here and watch it. You know, there's no auto trade feature on it, but it's all right. I like it. So let's have a look at this. Bitcoin US dollar, they're saying 80%. Let's have a look. Where is it going? It's been on this high. As you can see down here, you've got the mini graphs. You can see it's taken this low point. Then it's hit this other point. Now I'm guessing that this is going back down. You can see it's come down to this low point, then it's shot up. And now here, the overall direction of this, it looks to me like it's on its way back down. Let's just watch it for a minute. I'm going to let it pass this no trade zone between the serrated edge and the red line, and we'll keep an eye on it and see where it's going. But that looks to me, you can see a bit of a pattern emerging, or it's hit this dip, it's come back up, flattened out, hit another dip, come back up and flattened out, but a little bit lower than that. So I'm presuming that pattern's going to happen again. But I'm just going to wait for it to pass this buffer zone to get an idea. Here we go. So it's taken that. You can see it's hit a flat point, dipped, hit a flat point, dipped, hasn't quite gone as low as that. So let's just see what it does. I'm guessing it's going to shoot back up and replicate that pattern that it's done there twice. Now let's see where we think this is going. I'm guessing from there to there, it looks like it's on its way down, even though it's spiking and dipping the overall direction. You can see these little blocky patterns that keep emerging. They keep getting lower. So I'm guessing that's on its way back down. But let's just keep an eye on it. I'm just going to let it pass this thing one more time just to make sure. And once I get an idea on where it's going, you see, if you was to put a ruler from there, to me that looks like it's on its way down. But let's just wait for it to get through this zone, no trade zone, and see what happens. If we look down here, it's almost at the highest point it's been. You see, if we go back, you can see it's hit one of the almost highest point it's been all day. So I'm guessing that's still going to come down once it's finished doing what it's doing. If you look on the mini graph at the bottom here, see where my cursor is? You can see the highest point there from the last few hours, and then last couple of hours rather, and then to there. So I'm guessing that's on its way back down. I'm going to take a chance on that coming back down. Are we out the no trade zone? Yeah, no, we've just hit it. Pain in the balls. I'm gonna put a punt on that going down, and I'm gonna bosh some trades out at that coming back down. Now I'm trading at 0.056, which is roughly 400, about $396.7, I think, going on today's rate. Now let it just come through, and I'm gonna put some put trades. In actual fact, I'm going to double up on this, so that's like 800 quid a trade. So I'm sure that's coming down. Deal error, I'm doing it too quick. Get that last one in, yeah, baby. So let's see what happens here. So it's quite exciting sitting here watching this. Now I'm guessing that that's going down just by looking at it's hit that highest point, which was, as if we look down here, as high as it was there. So I'm guessing that's hit that other high point. I'm guessing that's going to replicate that and come back down. So let's get in there and have a look. Come on, baby, a bit lower, a bit lower, a bit lower, a bit lower. Haven't quite caught it. Haven't quite caught it. I've got some in. Right. I'm confident that's coming down, so I'm going to bosh some more out. Fuck it, look, I missed it just before the dip. Get one on there while it's peaked up on that bit there. Another one there. This is what I want. This is what I want. Bosh some out on that high point. Before it takes, and another one, before it goes down. Ah. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, come on. So you see it's on its way down. Just going to be a bit unlucky, I think, with this one. Got some back there. Got some back. I'm still confident that's going down, so I'm going to bosh some out. Now, so I've doubled up on that. I was trading at $400. I've now put that to 800. I'm confident that's on its way down. Deal error. That's the problem when you click too many times in succession. Get one on that peak. Get in there. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Get in there. Get in there, you. You can see the overall direction of this. It's on its way down, even though it's up, down, up, down. So I'm just hoping it's going to. I can see. I know it's going down eventually. You can see here. There we go. You can see the overall direction. Just been a bit unlucky where it's taken a couple of these up peaks and lows here. Get in there. Still going down. Look. Fucking deal error. Fucking gonna let me have 2 more. Come on, baby. Another one. So I told you. You see the overall direction going down. I told you. What did I say? From there to there. It's hit that peak. As high as it was there, as you can see there, if we scroll back, it's hit that almost as high as that highest peak. Then it's coming back down. What did I say? Look at that. Look at that. How beautiful sight is that? Get in there, you beauty. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Look at that. 6 Bitcoin now. So, like I said, just look for a direction. Look for a direction like I've done there. Overall direction. I can't remember what I started with now, but you can see a nice bit of profit there. So what I've done there, I've looked at the out view. I've seen it's hit this low point. It's gone up, and then it's hit this high point, which is, if we look at this lower graph, which is quite handy, you can see it's almost hit that point there. It's almost as high as that, and that's the highest point it's been for a while. So I knew that it's going to replicate that, or I had not know, you can never be 100% sure, but I guessed that that's going to replicate that and come back down, and it did. And as you can see there, so even though I've lost a few trades there by getting it wrong, a couple of ways where you know it is going down eventually, but a couple where it's spiked up and down, and then so basically, I'm excited. So basically what I've done, I've seen it's hit this high point, which is here. Look on this lower graph here, which was similar as here. So if we go back, yeah, so here, this high point here, it's almost as high as that. So it's hit that high point, then it's zigzagged its way down, even though there's highs and lows. It's come down to this bottom part, then it's come back up, then it's hit that other high point. So I thought it's going to replicate that and come back down, which it did. And luckily I caught the trades on that downward spiral there. So it's hit that high point like that point. I knew it was going down, and it did, and quid's in. So lovely jubbly. It's very simple to use. Like you can see, I mean, that's what I do. I mean, I hit it big, but you can well, I started off low with this. I can't remember what I started with. I can't remember if it was maybe 10, 20, 50 quid, very low. Nibbled it up, and I've had loads of profit out of it since. So it's very, very simple to use, and it's a good way to build your Bitcoin up. It really is. I find it's very simple to use. It's exciting to use as well. As you can see with that, I get super excited with it. But yeah, that is my strategy. That's what happens. I look for an overall direction, even though it's up and down, it's always moving. The overall direction, or look for a pattern like I've done here, and it's hit this high point, it's then hit this other high point. I thought that's going to come back down like it did there, and it did. And I said, like I said in the video, I'm going to catch them as they come back down, and I did. So yeah, now at almost 6.5 Bitcoin. So very pleased with that. Check it out for yourself. Why are you sitting at home twiddling your thumbs? Why not, have some fun and trade with it? It's easy to use, it's fun to use, and you can trade on a Saturday because it's Bitcoin. So, it's great. But check it out for yourself. CryptoBo, it's the easiest way I find to build your Bitcoin up. And I've had loads of withdrawals out of it. They go through very quickly as well because it's all in Bitcoin. It's great, and it's simple to use. But yeah, check it out for yourself. Link below this video, CryptoBo. That'll take you to the homepage. Check it out. See what you think. But yeah, nice little bit of profit on a Saturday. And like I said, why everyone's stuck at home? Why not do a bit? I know a lot of people are working from home, but why not make the most of it and make some money trading? But this video, as you can see, there was some mistakes there. It wasn't all peaches and cream, but I've seen the direction. I knew it was going down. I said that's going down, even though I missed a few before it decided to go down. But then it made up for it when it did come down. So I caught them all. Doubled up like you can with this. I saw the opportunity, doubled up. So where I was doing like, say $400, doubled up to $800, bosh, 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 and then a nice bit of Saturday morning profit. So well happy with that. But yeah, check it out for yourself. Link below the video. Give me a thumbs up if you like the videos. Don't forget to subscribe for trading strategies, trading platforms. Nearly knocked the mic over. And everything else. But so that's my strategy. That's what I use. I look for an overall direction. Wait for it to go in the opposite direction. Place that trade down. Or like that. Look for a direction. You've seen it's changed direction. Hit a point. You know it's coming back down. Bosh, bosh, bosh. Make some money. But yeah, I love it. It's great. But yeah, stay safe, people. Stay indoors. Do the right thing. Help flatten this curve of this bastard virus. And I'll be back with you next week with more updates and reviews. But yeah, Crypto Bull, Saturday trading, love it. But yeah, have a good weekend, and I'll be back with you next week.